Tadao Ando, final project by Carlos Ten. Japanese architect Tadao Ando is a master of his craft. Ando accomplished his work with an innate artistry. Tadao Ando, born in 1941, he is one of the most renowned contemporary Japanese architects. Famed architects such as Le Corbusier, Mies van der Rohe, Alvar Aalto, Frank Lloyd Wright, and Louis Kahn were significant figures in Ando's learning and development. His work was influenced by them. Characteristics of his work include large expanse of unadorned walls combined with wooden or slate floors and large windows. Active natural elements like sun, rain, and wind are a distinctive inclusion to his contemporary style. The most significant architectural elements in this architect's work are the light, the game with the texture of concrete and wooden that Ando creates, and the inclusion of the natural landscape with the building's design. The museum SAN, Space, Art, Nature, peacefully located in a beautiful natural environment, is designed by Tadao Ando, the master of minimalist architecture constructed with concrete. It is one of the most recent projects by Ando, the Museum SAN in South Korea. The museum facilities extend over 700 meters along the natural mountain terrain. The building, constructed with the box-in-box structure, is peacefully harmonized with its natural surroundings. Tadao Ando, when first saw the site, the long piece of land stretched toward the mountain top, he imagined he could create a different world removed from its surroundings on this unusual ground. From the museum's welcome center and the grass parking lot, a walking path continues through the flower garden, the water garden, the main building, the stone garden, and finally to the James Turrell's work. Wonderful space that connect heaven, earth, and human. But how Tadao Ando creates these wonderful buildings and space? Using different architectural elements as color, texture, light, ride, different circulation types, etc. Color. Tadao Ando is an architect. He likes to use the forms and material poor. In this project, we see that he used stone, concrete, and wooden, and the characteristics of these materials are natural. He creates a game with the color of landscape in any season of the year, achieving merge the architecture with the landscape, creating a natural space, peaceful space. Light. The natural light is a most important characteristic of architecture's Tadao Ando. The use of skylights, lattice, windows in his projects. Museum SAN also used the natural light in it, through large windows, skylights, with the elements and create a game of shadow and light. Texture. The texture in this project is given to use of different materials as concrete, stone, wooden, water mirrors, that it's given a particular quality to light. These textures are tactile and visual textures that generate a beautiful and particular building. Acoustic. The acoustic inside the museum SAN is important too. Conference, guided tours are given in the museum, so Tadao Ando used the correct materials for the ceiling and walls, and he created a nice acoustic space. rhythm. With the repetition of columns and the game with frames of the windows, Tadao Ando creates a rhythm in the building. Circulation. The move inside the museum is possible thanks to the vertical and horizontal elements of circulation. In the vertical circulation, the museum has stairs and ramps. The horizontal circulation has hallways and organic roads in the garden. Space and skull. Ando achieved beautiful space in which human skull is always present through the use of walls facing the building with the proportionality human figure.